Hello beautiful people, my name's Kristen. I am happy to have you today. I got a trunk club because my YouTube friend Dee Dee, she used my referral and we both got $50 credit, which Trunk has had issues because they have gone to not having a set stylist, so that has kind of disrupted things for a while. And most people, I think, are leaning towards just kind of waiting it out or letting it see how it rolls. It's not as good in my opinion, but since my friend gave me a credit, I thought I'll order a trunk and keep something, because $50 is pretty much an item, so why not, right? And you can help me decide what to pick. So I just put on one of my own white t-shirts to show off the two skirts first. So this first skirt is by Caslon. It is a linen patch pocket blend skirt, says in purple, size small petite, for $59. So it does have pockets, and it does have pockets that are actually working on the back. It has gathered a drawstring waist that can be tied tighter. I'll scoot back so you can get a better idea of the outfit. So $59, so this would be $9 for me, right? Easy, comfortable summer skirt. The next skirt is by Nic and Zoe, or Zoe. It's a 6 petite summer fling flirt skirt in indigo. This is the most expensive item in the box for $135. It's a thin denim, super lightweight, comfortable. There's no pockets, so it's very smooth. You can see the length. Let's talk about these fun sashy shorts by Free People. The Beckett lace-up cutoff denim shorts. They are a beige. They're called Salty is the official color. But you can see lots of frayed fringe. It does come lower in the back. Very fun and scarecrowy. The lace-up does work. There is one button that helps hold it down. All the pockets are real pockets. So interesting. Don't know that these are me, but they're interesting. The top, it's Halogen, the Flutter t-shirt sleeve in red for $39. So let me get this closer for you so you can see. It's got a nice, fairly low V. The sleeve is a two-part flutter, and then it connects down lower. So regular length, straight, comfortable tee. Item number 5 is this Caslon Peplum cap sleeve top in navy for $39. It does have a lot of cute detail. It's got some embroidery, it's got some extra stitching, some gathering to give a little room to the girls, and then it has the peplum. This right here is my belly button, so it kind of falls at a natural waist and then down. Not bad under the arms. I have on some jeans that I kept from my previous trunk that I love. There is the Caslon top. It is pretty full and a little boxy straight in here, but sometimes you just don't mind a little comfortable. I don't think it's like overly where it's got the, you know, particularly pregnant look or anything like that. So it's cute. Not sure it's my style, but it's fun to try. Okay, this next top is definitely my style. It's a Free People top. I own already 2 Free People tops, including a cold shoulder black one that's very, very similar to this. This one has an adorable gathered puff and kind of flutter sleeve combined. It has all this kind of gathered pleats. You can see the thinness of it, so you probably would want to consider a black bra or black cami underneath, but it is kind of a full swing top. But I really like Free People. The gauzy, kind of nicer material always seems to lay fairly nice. It's not like super tint, but a little baby doll swing and very comfortable and lightweight. Item 8 are sunglasses by Specs, the Weekend Riot 55mm, and they are $69. They are black rubber, which is, and it has the solid nose piece that I like. And yeah, what do y'all think about these? They are super comfortable. And I just kind of feel a little sassy. I like the polarized lenses. These could work for me. Then I also have on items 8 and 9. Number 8 is this linen long dress by Reformation in white. It has tie straps that are adjustable. It has, sorry, it's kind of blowing out a little with the color, but it's got gathering. You can, again, adjust this if you wanted this to be tighter or looser. It is totally linen, so you would need to steam or go with the wrinkled look. But it's just a complete long kind of beach cover-up. Super, super casual. It kind of like almost seems a little bridal with the white, right? But $128, a little pricey, second priciest item in the box, but it's kind of a fun piece that you could use in 2 or 3 different kinds of ways. And then the shoes are actually item number 9. These are by Sam Edelman, the Gala 2-strap slide. And they're $59.95, and I will let you see those. Standard, easy, fairly comfortable, little slide. Not much to them, really. And lastly is the Caslon dress, print ruched shoulder dress in black, $79. I love the lightweight, summery feel. I like the ruffle. I like that it's flowy, but again, I don't think it has like a huge shelf or pooch going on. You can let me know what you think of that. I'll get a little closer for some of the other details. There's actually a stitched line and gathering and detail. These don't really do much, but they're cute. Cute. And yeah, so that's the design, how it fits. So you will have to let me know, numbers 1 through 10, which item you think I should keep. I will list everything for you in the description box as well, so you can let me know. I do think this is a definite maybe. I think it has a lot of function and like the way it feels. I think this kind of 80s print, I usually go towards the 70s, but this 80s print, I'm kind of jazzing on it. I really like the sunglasses. I think they're super comfortable and kind of fun. That's a possibility. The linen dress, I'm a little on the fence about, but my husband really liked it on me. He's like, oh yeah, that'd be so great at the beach. You could just put that on over your bathing suit. We could go get a burger. I'm like, I don't know. The light color kind of freaks me out a little too. Like, you know, I get my mustard from my hot dog or something on that. Ooh. So, I don't know. Let me know. The sandals, one of the tops. I'm going to have you be one of my major influencing factors What do you think I should get? Thank you for stopping by. Stay tuned for more goodness and have an awesome day, y'all.